Morning, everyone. You want to make the money, you got to be willing to do what no one else wants to do. Let's see what kind of goodies we can find. Just a bunch of bags and boxes. Yeah, no large things. Looks like there might be a door down here. Can't tell what that is. Look what we got here. Another shopping cart. Morning to you too, crows. Yeah, we got some freezing rain last night. Oh, another car coming. We gotta be quick. Yeah. Morning.
Hey, what's up, Paul?
Alright, what's up?
There is a stove and a refrigerator. I take it they both work. It's just right upstairs from that door.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. I'll get them. What do we got here? Kind of a disaster, huh? Just take some of these larger things that can't go in the dumpster, or that probably should not go in the dumpster. So like this filing cabinet here. Oh man. Their staff are now taking care of all the loose trash. So I'm not gonna mess with it unless they tell me. So we'll get this filing cabinet and the vacuum. Okay. Y'all know what time it is. Time to cut the cord. Money. What this is? Anyone know what this is? I don't know what the heck that is. This actually looks pretty clean back in here. Oh. Oh man, there's some glass sticking up. That's gonna hurt somebody. It's not picked up. First thing I do is take all these things that fall off. Take them off so they won't fall off. Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa. Got it here. Usually when it's all taped up like that, that means there's something in it. Gotta open it because there's nothing in it. I'm shocked. Alright, so we take this down first. Just take one step at a time. There's no rush. Stay on. There you go. A little more challenging. Snow.